Queer conduct of a youth. Dark was the night and fearful the atmosphere of the cremation ground. It rained continuously and thunder shook the earth. Lightning revealed strange faces around, and from time to time weird laughter could be heard. But King Vikram did not divert a bit. He climbed the tree and brought down the corpse. But as soon as he started walking with the corpse lying on his shoulder, the vampire that possessed it said, "O king, I take you to be an intelligent man, but at times even an intelligent man is found to be behaving in a queer way. Take the case of Prasoon. Let me narrate his story to you. That might give you some relief." And went on the vampire. Prasoon was born in a princely family famous for its nobleness and honesty. But when Prasoon came of age, his father went bankrupt. He lost his estates and died heartbroken. Prasoon abandoned his house and travelled to the neighbouring district. By chance, he met a merchant named Deepak Chand who offered him a job at his godown. Deepak Chand was one of those fellows who had deceived Prasoon's father and had brought about his fall. Even then, Prasoon did not hesitate to accept the job. He knew that he must work for his livelihood. Deepak Chand knew that Prasoon, like his father, was absolutely honest and truthful, and hence he would be an asset to him. Days passed smoothly until one day Deepak Chand grew furious with one of his servants and gave him a cruel beating, causing his death. A clerk who had come forward to save the servant was falsely accused by Deepak Chand to have killed the servant. The clerk was handed over to the king's police. Along with a number of servants, Prasoon witnessed the event. Soon after the servant's death, Deepak Chand grew panicky. He called Prasoon aside and said, "The king knew your father. He will believe you. If in your testimony before him you say that it is not I but the clerk who killed the servant, I will give you a lakh of rupees and will help you to restore your father's estates." "All right," said Prasoon. Deepak Chand, however, could not be sure that Prasoon will oblige him. He sent a servant to Prasoon's house. The servant told Prasoon, "Don't you think that it will be wrong to implicate the innocent clerk in the killing?" "I'm not bothered about right or wrong. Deepak Chand is my master. It's my duty to see that he is saved," replied Prasoon. Deepak Chand was happy at the servant's report. In the afternoon, upon a visit to Prasoon's house, Deepak Chand heard the dead servant's wife telling Prasoon, "Sir, my husband was killed unjustly. I will feel some solace if his murderer Deepak Chand is punished. But I hear that you are out to save the real murderer and lay the blame on an innocent fellow. Is this true?" "Must I explain my conduct to you? I am in Deepak Chand's service. I will serve him in whatever way he orders me to serve him. Don't you understand this simple logic?" replied Prasoon. The woman cursed him and left. Deepak Chand felt assured that Prasoon would really come to his rescue. Next day, the case came up before the king. When the king learned who Prasoon was, he felt sure that he will get a correct picture of the incident. His hope was not belied. Without the least hesitation, Prasoon declared that the servant had been killed by Deepak Chand and not by the poor clerk. The clerk was set free. Deepak Chand confessed to his crime and was arrested. The vampire paused for a moment and asked, "Tell me, O king, didn't Prasoon prove himself a fickle-minded fellow? Why did he change his mind and turn a liar? Is it to avenge the wrong Deepak Chand might have done to his father? If he was to reveal that Deepak Chand was the killer, why then did he not say it from the beginning? Answer my questions, O king, if you can. Your head would roll off your shoulder if you know the answers but choose to keep mum." Answered King Vikram. "Prasoon cannot be said to have turned a liar. He was truthful, but he was not a simpleton. Born in a princely family, he knew when to speak the truth. There was no question of his avenging whatever wrong Deepak Chand had done to his father. He was serving his master honestly. If he agreed to Deepak Chand's offer, it was to pave the way for justice. Had he agreed, Deepak Chand would have bribed others and led false witnesses to the king's court. In his despair, he might have even conspired to kill Prasoon. Thus, Prasoon acted just as a sensible man should act. No sooner had the king concluded his answer than the vampire, along with the corpse, gave him the slip. Please like, share, and subscribe if you enjoyed this video. Do provide your feedback in the comment section below. Thanks for listening.